I have heard that many American friends take a shower in the morning. Is that true? Most Chinese people take a shower at night. Chinese people think that the bed is a very clean place, so they must take a shower before going to bed. When I was a child, I also took a shower at night. My parents would ask me to take a shower right after we finished dinner. After I went to college, every time I woke up in the morning, I would feel that my face was dirty, my hair was messy, and I had no energy. So I started taking a shower in the morning. Later, I thought it was a bit of waste to just take a shower in the morning. Instead, I would go to the gym to work out first after waking up and then take a shower. This made me feel that taking a morning shower was really worthwhile. If I sweat a lot during the day, like playing sports, I would take another shower at night. The Chinese word for taking a shower is 洗澡. 洗澡. If you want to ask someone if they had taken a shower, you can say 你洗澡了吗?你洗澡了吗? So, have you taken a shower today?